Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. तो अभी हम लोग मरकेश वी हैव रीच्ड अबाउट 40 मिनट्स लगे एंड अभी हम लोग चल चल के इधर उधर घूमने वाले एरियाज़ कवर करने वाले, थोड़ा सा सूक्स घूमेंगे। गाइस यहाँ पे इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो टेम्प्ट कर रही है, बट हम लोग के पास लगेज अलाउंस वी ओनली हैव द बैकपैक, so won't be able to take a lot of things, but everything looks very beautiful, aesthetic. एक चीज़ यहाँ पे है दैट यू हैव टू लाइक बार्गेन, क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस बताते हैं एंड मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना दैट यू हैव टू एटलीस्ट से लाइक 30% ऑफ व्हाट दे आर कोटिंग एंड देन दे विल मीट समवेयर मे बी इन 50% या जो भी, मतलब यहाँ पे जो वो बोले वही प्राइस पे ले लो, ऐसा नहीं है। इट्स लाइक अ बार्गेनिंग सिस्टम लाइक वी हैव इन लाइक वी डू इन स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग इन इंडिया. So it's a long queue to go into the madrasa. So we have arrived at our accommodation. So here's the toilet, bathroom, the mirror, and then you go in. So that's the room. अरे तुम्हारा नाम लिखा है हमेशा इस पे. And then here is our cute little balcony. Wow, amazing views. And don't ask हम यहाँ पे कैसे पहुँचे हैं. हम लोग ने मरकेश लाइक फ्रॉम द सिटी वी wanted to take a taxi because it was like 15 minutes away and we were trying to take the yellow taxi and हमने मतलब we asked for कोट्स ऑल्सो, बट वो थोड़े हायर कोट कर रहे थे. सो वी गॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस ऐप इन ड्राइव एंड वी बुक थ्रू दैट एंड देन हम उसमें जस्ट बैठी थी. देन अ टैक्सी वाला केम एंड सीधा गाड़ी के सामने ही टैक्सी लगा दी और फिर वो लोग लड़ने लगे एंड देन पुलिस आ गई. फिर पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था. देन अल्टीमेटली वी हैड टू गेट आउट ऑफ द इन ड्राइव टैक्सी एंड गो इन टू द येलो टैक्सी which usually charges like double the price. And फिर मतलब हम लोग का बहुत ऐसा हौच पौच हो गया. We had to like go and sit because the situation was so stressful that we had to like go in and sit in the yellow taxi. And then somehow we have reached. जो local taxi drivers होते हैं उनको पसंद नहीं है कि उनके passenger मतलब चोरी कर लेते हैं वो लोग, तो they don't like them and they don't want anyone to go in those taxis. So if you are coming here, of course in drive के जो rates होते they are much cheaper because हमें कुछ 32 dirham में मिल रहा था and this guy was asking us for 70 dirham, but then we somehow negotiated and ended up paying 50. But because वो इतना scene हो गया, we just didn't want to stress out, so we thought थोड़ा पैसे ज़्यादा देते but आ जाते हैं इधर. Guys, मैंने इतने सारे videos निकाले resort के, but स्टूपिड मी मैं फ़ोटो के मोड में निकाल रही थी तो कुछ भी वीडियोस नहीं ऐसे. हैव टू रीशूट इट, बट इट्स अ रियली नाइस होटल. इट्स लाइक अ रिजॉर्ट बट इट्स beautiful. I will show you. It's huge. There are different services also here, like massage, beauty related, a lot of things. This is where we are staying at the first floor. This is the pool area. Fitness, paddle yoga, hammam massage. So it's around 5 now and our plan now is that we're gonna explore the resort and keep it very chill evening. Yeah, and also because we have to go early tomorrow in the morning for our day tour to Atlas Mountains, and it's going to be like a, I think we need to leave the resort around 8 a.m. and we also need to do the breakfast and everything, so let's see how we will manage that. But we wanted to rest today because yeah, tomorrow is going to be like a hectic day. There's some sports area as well. So we just had dinner. We had like a nice buffet here, and अभी हम लोग just बाहर आए हैं बैठने and just see the vibe of this place. You would love it. कौन जीतेगा? मैं. कौन हारा अभी पूल में? तुम सच बोलो, सच के सिवा और कुछ मत बोलो. अमीश ने काला बॉल डाल दिया. ब्लैक बॉल. Good morning guys, it's the next day and now we're going for our one-day trip to Atlas Mountains. We're going to take the taxi to the pickup point and then वहाँ से चालू होगा हमारा trip. It's a whole day trip, so 9 basically 8:30 कुछ reach करना है and 8:30 to 5:30 the whole day is the trip.
We pour a tea inside of glass and then we take it back to the teapot. We do this operation almost like 10 times, just like to mix to with sugar and to test tea. As you can see here, we have the bubbles. The bubbles, which means it is good. Without, is not good. This is a Moroccan beer. We drink it almost like 4 or 5 times a day.
So the trip started with the traditional Moroccan tea and then we dressed up as Moroccan locals and then we went on a camel ride, which was really a good experience, and I was really scared on sitting on the camel, that's why I did not record it. After that we traveled to a local villager's house where we saw how traditional houses are built. They also offered us different oils like argan oil, olive oil, peanut butter with bread and Moroccan tea, and also showed us the production of argan oil and different products.
About argan oil in all the world exists only in Morocco, okay? So that's why you can find that argan oil or Moroccan oil. It's the same thing. And we start by this that you see here. This is argan fruits, okay? That you see is very dry. It's not like olive oil. It's differently. To remove the shell like that, to get the nut inside. That one. Fruit specially for animals' food. For the goats, eat this one from the tree and reject the nuts. Spate it. Okay? This one, we break it by stone like that to get the almonds inside. Like that. For making 2 kinds of oil. Cosmetic is fresh. For cooking, we need to roast it.
We took like a argan oil छोटा 30 ml का bottle because यहाँ पे ही ये लोग in house सब बनाते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छा experience था to get to know about the culture, and the house is all made up of clay. It's quite interesting. मैं थोड़ा सा सो गई थी अभी from this point we are going to go for a little hike about a couple of hours and then lunch रहेगा guide के घर पे. sun है अभी लेकिन फिर भी it's feeling quite chilly. For the lunch we had the amazing traditional couscous, tajine, and it was really delicious. After that we went for like 2 hours of trek through a really beautiful mountains towards a very popular waterfall. Hello guys, we are back in our hotel room. So the trip is done. We also had the dinner and now we are back. The trip was great, pretty amazing. Especially for the price it came in, it was really good. I think we paid around 18 euro per person. Usme light breakfast, lunch, everything was included and the lunch was like really nice. I will leave the link of the trip in the description also in case you guys want to check it out. This is the kurti that I got from here. Look at the background behind me. So I'm in my balcony right now. Mast hawa chal rahi hai. So in all, if I have to summarize the trip, बहुत मज़ा आया. Yeah, tomorrow we are checking out. So tomorrow after the breakfast, I could not show you the breakfast today because we were in hurry. Mostly in Riyadh and all you would get only Moroccan breakfast and all of that. But यहाँ पे it was like a multi cuisine breakfast, मतलब पूरा ऐसा buffet जैसा था and different things were there.